In today's video, I will talk about what is digital marketing. And before going into the concept itself or into more details, we need to understand something really simple. Digital marketing is nothing but traditional marketing that leverages digital channels. Instead of using traditional media such as newspapers, TV, magazines, um, billboards, or other traditional channels. Now, instead, you would use your digital channels such as website or email or social media channels. Those are like the main tools that you can use when you're talking about a digital marketing strategy. Now, there's also a misconception, or there seems to be a misconception around digital marketing. And a lot of people think that it's easy or that it's simple or even that it's the secret sauce to unlocking unlimited clients or prospects for your business or service. What we need to understand is that, yeah, while digital marketing brings a lot of advantages in terms of understanding your audience, it has also a lot of complexities in terms of optimizing content, attracting visitors, understanding the data, because there is a lot of data and sometimes it can be overwhelming when it comes to understanding and interpreting this data. Now, what are the types of digital marketing? First, you would have SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's quote unquote the most traditional digital marketing strategy. This consists in optimizing your website for certain keywords or terms so your website ranks higher on the search engines, in this case Google, for example. And what it would bring is organic traffic. So a lot of people are using search engines right now to search for different topics or solve daily problems. So if your website is well ranked for specific keywords, you can get a lot of organic traffic, which brings obviously more potential clients to your business. Now, that's like one of the oldest um, digital marketing strategies, and it is still relevant today because, as you know, Google has a lot of traffic every day. So if you are thinking about a long-term strategy for your business, SEO is really, really important. Now, the next thing is obviously social media. So any channel related to people scrolling every day, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, different social media channels, that is also very important because if you are also advertising a product or service, you can get a lot of customers or a lot of prospects through that specific channel. Now, the next one is paid ad. Paid ad can be using Google or Facebook mostly. Google would also include YouTube, and Facebook would include Instagram and probably WhatsApp. So the main difference between Google and Facebook is basically that Google and YouTube are search term engines. So basically, people are already looking for a topic online and they go to Google, they search for that specific term, and you would put your app or your post in front of that person who is looking for that specific topic. The difference with Facebook is that Facebook is a social media platform, so people are scrolling. They usually are watching, their families' photos or their friends' photos, and you would try to stop the scroll with a pattern interrupt, and that's how they would come to your website if they are obviously interested in the topic that you are advertising. And the other one is email marketing. And email marketing is also has also been around for a long time. Um, the big challenge with email marketing is that the platforms keep updating or upgrading their security policies and their privacy policies. So you need to have a very good um, email marketing strategy in place in order for your audience to be attracted to your website. Now, as you know, in traditional marketing, you have 4 Ps. Now, in digital marketing, we're adding a fifth P, and the 5 Ps of digital marketing would be product, price, promotion, place, and people. So, as you can probably tell, we need to understand who we want to attract with our digital marketing efforts and what's the message that we want to send to them. That's why it's really, really important to narrow down your audience or to have your ideal client or your avatar, because the more you understand who you want to attract and who you want to talk to, the better your message and the better your digital marketing strategy. Now, when it comes to digital marketing versus traditional marketing, what I would say is the main benefit of digital marketing is first of all, that you can get a lot of feedback. So in traditional marketing, when you would I don't know, put a billboard in a very big highway or street, you didn't have a specific way of measuring if that billboard was working. Now with digital marketing, if you put an ad in front of an audience, you immediately know if it's working. If there's a lot of people clicking on the ad, and if there's a lot of people coming to your website and um, scrolling through your website, you can understand what's working and what's not. So that would be the main benefit, but it also has a benefit related to cost. Obviously, a billboard or a magazine advertisement or a TV commercial, obviously, they were more expensive. Whereas digital marketing strategies are more cost effective, so it's easier for small businesses or for entrepreneurs that want to or start or grow a business. It's way easier to reach their audience, to reach their target audience, and also to save on advertisement costs. So I think that really the biggest benefits of digital marketing are related to cost and also to the feedback that you get when you post something online. And well, if you're a beginner and you want to start implementing your digital marketing strategy for your business or your service, it's important that you understand the concept of a funnel. And a funnel is basically, when you have a lot of people that get in contact or get related to your product or service, but then you keep engaging with the people that are more relevant to your audience, and then in the end, you are only attracting the people that will be your best clients depending on your avatar. So that's why it's important to understand that there's a brand awareness phase, and then there's an engagement phase where people are starting to make their decision related to your product or service, and there's also a conversion phase. So the messaging in all the funnel stages are different, and it's important to understand what stage your audience is in, so you can connect with them with the proper message. But I will talk more about funnel stages in the next video. I hope this was useful for you. And if you want any other question answered related to digital marketing, put it in the comments, subscribe to the channel, The Digital Marketing Geek, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.